ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕೆಫೆ 363 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬಂದು visit ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಾನು ನಟಿ ಭಾವನಾ ರಾವ್. ನಾನು ಸಿಂಧು ಲೋಕನಾಥ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಜಾನ್ವಿ ರಾಯಲ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಒಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರವಾಗಿರೋ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸು, ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಸು, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಫನ್ ಡೇ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆಫೆ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಫೆ 363 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭಾವನಾ ಅವರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಫೆ 363 ಬಾ, ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ಲು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ನ. ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡೇಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಫೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಂದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗಾಸಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚಿಟ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Happy Women's Day. Thank you. Sonu, please talk to me once. Mama producer ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ I mean, he might be a boss for you, he's not for me. See, I know what I am.
ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ, ಬಿಟ್ಟೊಟ್ಟೋಗು. ನಿನ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಕತ್ತೆ ತರ.
I think women are best in multitasking.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Happy Women's Day.
Sure.
Hello, my name is Shriyans. I am the birthday boy today. Today, Cafe 363 did all of the catering. The food was super good. The head chef today was Sir Santosh Hegde, and he is an Italian chef who prepared the best pastas today. All of my friends loved the pastas. All of my friends who came today loved the pastas. He taught me about ravioli pastas, and it is so good. And all of the food which he made, like the biryani and everything, tasted so good. Especially the jalebi and everything. Everybody liked the jalebis. It was so crunchy, it was so tasty. The rabdi especially. And The French fries, many times when I go to other stores, French fries, they taste very dry and soggy, and lots of oil. There is a lot of oil present inside them. But today it was so crispy. All of my friends took more than 2 servings. I personally did not know what is a pita pocket until today, and it tastes so good.
Oh, wow.
Santosh sir makes the best pita pockets in the world.
Thank you so much for your feedback. And I just want to say, like, happy birthday. And I feel like this is a present for us.
Exactly. It's a big gift for us.
More than anything else.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We wish you all the best.
Thank
We're
Yeah.
so glad that you liked all
Thank
the
you.
food from our
Thank you.
ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಒಂದು ಇಟಾಲಿಯನ್ ಕೆಫೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ನನ್ನ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅವ್ಳು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ಕರ್.
ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಒಂಚೂರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತು.
ಇದೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಅದರ್ ಕೆಫೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಜಗ್ಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಡು ಮೇಯದ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕುಡಿದೇ ಇರೋಂಥ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಗ್ ಪೀಸ್, ಲೆಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಲಕ್ಕು.
Hi, right now I'm at Cafe 363. It's a wonderful Italian cuisine cafe. It's located at Rajaji Nagar. You can find all kind of exotic Italian cuisine over here. And food ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ tasty ಆಗಿದೆ. The staffs are very hospitable. You have to visit this cafe to have a wonderful, authentic Italian food.
ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಚಂಪೋತೆ ನವಿ ನನ್ನೇ ಮುಂಚೋತೆ.
Just let us know what you think about, the Cafe 363 food.
I think the food is good because I had this harabara kebab and I enjoyed the curd rice. Curd rice has a lot of flavors in it, so that's what I really liked. It's got ginger, it's got other flavors which usually curd rice is not like that. It's bland, but here it's very flavors, so it's very good.
We try to take the basic stuff and elevate it.
Thank you, Santosh, for delicious food. I love the chicken, I love the prawns, the mango chutney is amazing as well. I had some chicken curry. Half the food is already smashed with just 5 people, so I'm gonna be eating more, and I don't think so there's gonna be anything left. So I'm eating as soon as possible. Can't wait to try the biryani. I love it. And the best part is there are more options for vegetarians as well. There's fries, there's harabara kebab. This tastes really good with the chutney and baby corn. Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. It's very tasty and it's very fresh and it's really very yummy. Thank you so much.
How is the appearance looking like?
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. Very nice appearance here. Yeah.
Okay. How is the hygienic part?
Yes, ma'am.
How is the hygienic part?
Yeah, it's very fresh. It's very good.
How are the staff selling here? How are they?
Very cooperative and lovely.
वे कमले आ मेरे नादान दिल वे कमले आ वे कमले आ वे कमले आ
Everybody is welcoming and accommodating, so I think that is more important. That's the first thing for us to come in and have the food. The food is next. The first thing is how you receive us. So that was really very good and commendable. So not only kids, we also enjoyed it. So lovely experience as well. We went through it stepwise, detail, making the salad. Children were involved. The importance of the fruits, vegetables, whatever they were doing was explained to them. So I think it made our work easier what we did. So they understood it. There was active participation. So we got to taste the yummy food as well. So very healthy, very tasty. So we are looking to come back here soon.
We'll be coming definitely.
And we'll be visiting more.
Kids are like very happy. Our students are very happy. And definitely the parents of our kids definitely they'll come. And Cafe 360 is
They'll all take back lovely stories today back home. I'm sure they will tell at home and hopefully they'll come back with family.
And thank you so much for all the staff here. Thank you. You are really amazing and yummy food, yummy salad. And thank you so much for having us here. It's our pleasure.